Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We will demonstrate where that horn fuse is located on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys. Another thing, you have, guys, two fuse boxes. The main fuse box will be located under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator. That's your fuse box, that's the cover there. But you have another fuse that's for the body control module, practically everything inside the vehicle. And the horn right here, guys, the fuse for that will be in that fuse box under the glove box on the right side in the passenger foot well. And where that kick panel is, you remove that plastic there, you open it, and you're going to see your fuse box right there. We took a picture, we zoomed it, so we can clearly show you guys where each one of those fuses is located. Let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays first.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse that we will need to check will be, that's the first row from left to right, second row. So we need the second row here, and you see that relay? Right under that relay you have a 20 amp fuse. That first 20 amp fuse is known as fuse number F22. This is your fuse for the horn. If your horn does not work, that could be the reason why. Another thing that can cause the horn not to work could be a bad switch, bad horn. It's really easy to test horn, by the way, or bad cock spring. But the number one thing that we see is a bad fuse.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.